Hey, you look great. I love your outfit. I'm going to go run to the store now.
All right, love you. Thank
I
you.
love you. You're welcome. Hey, do I have anything else to do? No. Not at the moment. Alex, I'll be right back, babe. Okay, I can deal with a little more sunshine before I hide away in a cave all night. It's not gonna hurt me. Right, neighbors? Right. Okay, so I can either go with Colleen and her hot Tommy to the amphitheater. I don't think so. I think the amphitheater is a bunch of people who are younger than me who I would have absolutely no interest in. I know there's dancing and that makes me want to go, but hey, I can dance right in my living room. Plus, I don't want to leave Alex. I wasn't with him last night, and I want to at least be home with him. So, I think it's still going to be a great night. Happy.